music, and I'm going to play some songs for you. This first song is called The Lights.
Turn on the lights and leave me alone. I feel your hand tight, gripped on my throat. You say you're leaving, I wish I knew why. You say you're tired of believing, well darling, as am I. Burn that bridge that takes me home. Cut me off from all I know. Oh, will I ever be anything but love? Oh, will I ever be good enough to love? I've been waiting for God knows how long. You say I'm changing, well it's just hard to keep strong. I feel like leaving to never look back. I say I'm tired of dreaming, but that would be a lie. Yeah, burn the bridge that takes me home. Cut me off from all I know. Oh, will I ever be anything but love? Oh, will I ever be good enough to love?
Thank you very much. This next song was inspired by a line from a Shakespeare play. It's from Othello. It sounds really pretentious when I say that it was inspired by that, but it's not, I promise. Anyway, this song is called I Am Not What I Am.
I am not the girl I used to be. I am not what I am. Oh, you can capture me or wait for me to reach the palm of your hand. It's funny how our feelings grow. Seasons change and our reasons slow, and I know not what I used to know, and it's strange to be alone. I don't have the answers you expect of me. I don't have the love that you gave to me, and I don't have the thing that you need from me. So back home. A written word burnt in your mind, and someday soon is what I'll never find. This road is long, but I daren't look back to keep my mind on track. I am not the girl that I used to be. You left behind words that will never leave me, and the past has passed, but I cling to you, and no wonder I feel so blue. I don't have the answers you expect of me. I don't have the love that you gave to me. And I don't have a thing that you need from me, so lead me back home. I don't have the answers you expect of me. I don't have the love that you gave to me. I don't have a thing that you need from me, so lead me back home.
This next song's quite new, and it's called The City.
Darling, you turned away before giving me your final goodbye. Darling, what is there to say? I'm lonely, but I know you don't feel the same. So just kiss me one final time. Say you'll miss me. If you don't, that's fine. Oh, just wish me a happy life. Oh, just kiss me and say goodbye. Darling, now my long-lost friend, I am holding on to your memory again. Darling, hear the whispers I send, these melodies for you. I long to make amends. Oh, just kiss me one final time. Say you'll miss me. If you don't, that's fine. Oh, just wish me a happy life. Oh, just kiss me and say goodbye. I will reach for the bright lights of the city, and I will run to them as soon as I can, you'll see. And I will reach for the heart of a man of the city who won't give me pity. I'm not as weak as I seem. so I'll hate for the city. Oh, just kiss me one final time. Say you'll miss me. If you don't, that's fine. Oh, just wish me a happy life. For the city never says goodbye. Won't give me pity.
This next song is quite old. I'm 18 now and I wrote this when I was about 14, and it's called It's All Good.
Won't you sit in this street with me? We can watch the shooting stars and the drunks tripping over the pavement and count the speeding cars. Won't you just hold my hand? We can share the bottle if you please. Can I sit and listen to your heartbeat? I love it when you squeeze me tight. So good in your gaze, I'm hearing your name, I'm calling your name. Oh, it's all good in your arms. I fell asleep with your heartbeat lullaby. Won't you come and get lost with me? I don't mind what ending we take, just as long as it leads to a place where nobody knows my name. Won't you come and get lost with me? I don't mind where we go to hide, just as long as the sun shines all day. It's good enough for me. It's all good in your gaze, I'm hearing your name, I'm calling your name. Oh, it's all good in your arms. I fell asleep with your heartbeat lullaby. Oh, 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 oh. It's all good in your gaze, I'm hearing your name, I'm calling your name. It's all good in your arms. I fell asleep with your heartbeat lullaby, heartbeat lullaby, heartbeat lullaby.
Who's going to see American Idiot tonight? Yay! Cool. I'm going to see it on Wednesday. Very excited. This next song is called Thunder.
when I'm alone and in the dark. When the sun has gone to sleep and still I can't, and I think of what might be, I'm void of sleep, and I think of what might become of me. All I need's a kind face to see, and all I need is for you to be the one who becomes the boy I love. And the one whose hand I can always touch. So when the thunder starts, can I find my home inside your arms? So when the thunder starts, can I find my home inside your arms? All I need's a kind face to see, and all I need is for you to be the one who becomes the boy I love. And the one whose hand I can always touch. All I need's a kind face to see, and all I need is for you to be the one who becomes the boy I love. And the one whose hand I can always touch. Thank you. You're all lovely and quiet. Thank you. Anyway, I'm just going to say again, I'm Ellie Makes Music. I've got some business cards and postcards down here in a box if you'd like one. You can get one now or you can get one at the end or whatever. Yes, and this next song is called By Dawn. I won't give you promises I will not keep them. I will not break your heart each night before you sleep, but trust me with the sun and I'll keep you warm. I can't make the earth shake beneath your feet, and I will not take your breath away each time we meet, but trust me with the waves and I'll sail you home. Darling, we'll be good as new by dawn. I won't take what's yours without asking you when. I won't leave you behind when you're feeling blue, but trust me with the stars and they'll shine for you. When you cry, you can scream till the building's shaking. I'll be there to hold you when you awaken. Trust me. out. As vulnerable as we may seem, trust me, you're the sun's brightest beam. And darling, we'll be good as new by dawn, and the light will guide you to my arms. Ooh, then at the side you held so close. And darling, you'll be good as new by